My name is Mahesh Thube. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I completed my BE in civil engineering, and currently I am working in a Solutions Global Limited as a business analyst. So I opted for a PG in data analytics and machine learning. I'm from a middle class family. My father is a retired army, and currently we are living in Pune. As data analytics and machine learning, data science, this field is very trendy nowadays. I found it a very good opportunity to learn that. To get the admission in Imarticus Learning is a very easy process. You can approach to any counselor or by their website. The faculty here is very good, very educated. They are experienced person. And apart from that, here you want to know the communication part. Their career placement team here in the Imarticus is very helpful. They guided in each and every interview, in each and every call I got. Yes, I will recommend this course as I will recommend it to the non-technical background students also.